Nazareth Academy.
My name is Vatsal Ashwarya. I am from Nazareth Academy. Good afternoon, everyone present here. Good afternoon, His Holiness. My question is that you said that inner peace will eradicate the anger present in us. So, my question is that how we can develop that inner peace in ourselves?
This is interdependency. Anger come, your peace of mind reduce. So now, since real destroyer of our inner peace is anger, sometimes attachment also, you see, may destroy your peace of mind. Too much extreme sort of biased love, biased sort of attachment, then it quite often is go side by side, hatred and love. That's not genuine compassion. Genuine compassion without attachment, that can develop through reasoning, through training, not spontaneous, not a biological factor. Of course, a biological factor, love, is biased, but it is seed. So that's take as a seed, our love. Then use human intelligence to further develop. Then the biased compassion eventually become unbiased compassion. That we can extend towards our enemy. The biased compassion you cannot extend to your enemy. So therefore, these only through training, to familiarize. As I mentioned, my own case, when I was young, I was quite short-tempered. I usually telling the people, my parent, my father, very, very short-tempered. My mother, I think we never saw our mother's angry face. So therefore, I usually say telling, my early part of my life, I follow my father, short temper. The later part of my life, I follow my mother, like that. Okay.